Welcome back to the channel, guys. My name is Justin. Today we are going to be getting rid of what I think is probably one of the worst accessories that's probably made for any machine, let alone this one. And it's gonna be this Moose Utility Division windshield. I'll get into why it's not a very good accessory here shortly, but what we're gonna be replacing it with is the 3-Star Industries vented front and rear windshield. You can order this directly. You can also order these through Main Street Cycle as well. So, as most of you know, I'm a big supporter of 3-Star Industries. I love the people that work there. Their customer service is absolutely second to none. Some of the most personable and just humble, down-to-earth people that I've had the pleasure of meeting. So I always support good companies and I will continue to support them. But yeah, let's open this up and see what we got to do. We got to take this one off first. Let me show you quick though what my issue is with this windshield. So this fold right here, from where my wife sits, it's literally right in the middle of her eyesight. She cannot see a thing, and I kind of got to sit up a little bit just to be able to see over it. That has got to go. So in order to get it off, there's a nut on the back of it, of these clamps here. So we'll undo those, undo these little rubber straps up here, and then we'll get to installing the one from 3-Star. This windshield off here. I'll do that all the way around, undo these, and then this will come right off. Okay, so we've got all the clamps off. I've undone that side. We're gonna undo this side, fold this down, and then this is just gonna come straight off. First things first, their stuff is always packaged very well, super protected. Most of the time you don't have to worry about anything being damaged during shipping. So here is the front windshield. It's gonna actually slide up under the roof and fit back just like this. Kind of tucks under that top roll bar. Just push her back in there, get her all set. So as per usual, I opt for the quick connect straps. They are just simply the easiest and simplest way to put them on there. It does come with instructions. There's a roll of something in there, like a foam or something maybe. So I'm guessing this is for the very top, but I'll put that on later. So I like to leave this on during installation, but you do want to pull it back away from where your straps go. One thing that 3-Star, a few things that 3-Star does that kind of sets them apart that I really appreciate is, one, they pre-install all of this rubber molding on the side for you. As you know, some of you know, that kind of thing can be a big pain in the butt sometimes. So and then the loops, the strap, quick install strap, simply loops through, and you spin it around and Velcro it down here. And this Velcro, let me tell you, this stuff is like super duty. So, I mean, just that easy and that quickly. The first one is installed. Try to hurry, the sun's setting fast. Bam, just like that. Second one's installed. And these things are great, man. The other thing that 3-Star does that kind of sets them apart is on their vented, as you'll see when we peel this, on their vented front and rear windshields both, they already have the vent installed. You don't have to install that yourself, because that can be kind of a pain in the butt sometimes too. So you just simply loop it through, pull it tight. It's 4 quick connect straps, and you're done. Now we can peel it. And there you have it. And that is a much, much better line of sight for my wife, and frankly for me too when I drive it. So that's the front one. The rear one's gonna connect just the same. So we're gonna put that one on real quick and try to beat this, this darkness.
If you leave me to my own device, I never have to compromise. The city is like a jungle, gotta make it mine. Put my fears right out of sight, beat the hustle, better get it right. In a game where the strong survive, only the strong survive. Your chains will not hold me down, the break and fall to the ground. Can't tame these lions inside. The power is raining like thunder, ready for a fight. These lions inside. These lions inside. These lions inside.
Alright guys, so it got dark on me last night. Wasn't able to finish shooting this. I ended up just falling asleep in what I was wearing yesterday, and I got up to finish shooting this, so I haven't changed or taken a shower or done any of that yet. Got a lot going on. My event kicks off day after tomorrow. This is going to be one of the biggest events I've ever put on. Mud and Mayhem out at Maumee Riding Park. It's going to be an awesome weekend. Giving out over $3,500 in payouts. We got a bunch of different events going on. Concerts Friday night featuring Chase Matthew, Upchurch's new artist, signed to his record label. Amazing, awesome young talent. Been in the country music charts since his album dropped. We were super excited to have him. And then Saturday night, got my buddy Split Rail playing, and then they're opening for the one and only Afro Man. So it's gonna be a great night. As you see, we got both windshields installed. One thing I do want to say about 3-Star is everything they do is handmade right here in the heart of America, right in Kentucky. From cutting and bending the windshields to, they literally, from raw material, cut, hand stitch, hand inspect every single enclosure. And some of the things that set them apart, I know I've already mentioned some of them, but I forgot to mention one yesterday, and that's these bends. And if you wonder why these bends happen, these are cold bends. They're bent in a press, they're not heated. And the reason they do this is because it increases the strength of your windshield. But great company. They are one of the sponsors of Mud and Mayhem, one of the major sponsors, one of the title sponsors really for Mud and Mayhem this coming weekend. They're just a great group of people. And also, they're getting ready to launch a new website, which I've been involved in, and it is going to be awesome. I think so. If you need an enclosure, you need a windshield, getting ready for cold weather, if you have an old windshield that's scratched up and need to get a new one, yeah, that's all I got. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. I really appreciate each and every single one of you. On the 800ex next, we'll be doing wheel spacers. I've got a sound bar to install. I'm gonna try to get that done before this weekend is over, just so my wife can have some music to listen to while she rides around. So I can't thank you guys enough. If you haven't yet, hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you wanna see, and we will catch you in the next one.